Imagine an aircraft so vast its wings fold just to fit at airport gates. This is the Boeing 777X. It's the next leap in aviation, blending the legacy of Boeing's jumbo jets with cutting-edge efficiency. The 777X's folding wingtips are its signature, extending for flight, folding for the ground, solving the challenge of size versus airport compatibility. Designed to fly farther with fewer stops and less fuel, it promises a new standard of comfort and sustainability. As the age of four-engine giants fades, the 777X stands as the ultimate evolution of the twin-engine wide-body. Its journey from concept to reality is a story of ambition, innovation, and the drive to shape the future of flight. The 777X family includes two variants, the 777-9, the world's longest passenger jet, and the ultra-long-range 777-8. The 777-9 seats over 420 passengers, while the 777-8 can connect almost any two cities non-stop. What truly sets the 777X apart is its efficiency, delivering up to 10% better fuel burn and emissions than its rivals. This is thanks to advances in aerodynamics, new materials, and next-gen engines. Inside, the cabin is wider, brighter, and more comfortable, with larger windows and improved air quality. Drawing from the Dreamliner, it offers a smoother ride and less jet lag. The 777X builds on the original 777's legacy, combining proven reliability with 21st-century innovation. It's Boeing's answer to the future of global long-haul travel. The 777X's carbon fiber wing is Boeing's largest ever, stretching over 71 meters when extended. Its folding wingtips, an industry first, let it maximize efficiency in the air and fit at airports on the ground. Beneath these wings are the GE9X engines, the world's largest and most powerful for a commercial jet. These engines use advanced materials to run hotter and cleaner, cutting fuel use and noise. The flight deck is a digital leap forward with large touchscreens and streamlined controls inspired by the Dreamliner. Pilots benefit from improved situational awareness and reduced workload. Every element, from wing to cockpit, is designed for performance, safety, and efficiency. The 777X's innovations set a new benchmark for what a modern airliner can achieve. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation in how we build and fly big jets. The 777X is ready to redefine the skies. Leading airlines like Emirates, Qatar, and Lufthansa have ordered the 777X to anchor their global networks. The 777-9 offers jumbo capacity with twin-engine efficiency, replacing aging 747s and A380s at a fraction of the cost. Its range opens up new non-stop routes, think Sydney to London, making ultra-long-haul travel more practical. For airlines, it's a strategic investment, lower costs, more flexibility, and a premium passenger experience. The 777X's advanced cabin and technology help airlines stand out in a competitive market. It's more than a plane, it's a flagship for the future of international travel. The 777X's journey has faced major delays, from technical hurdles to the global pandemic. Integrating new tech like folding wingtips and the GE9X engines proved more complex than expected. Structural test failures and stricter certification after the 737 MAX crisis added years to the timeline. COVID-19 slashed demand for big jets, forcing airlines to defer orders and Boeing to rethink production. Despite setbacks, Boeing is pushing forward, determined to deliver a safe, revolutionary aircraft. With first delivery set for 2026, the world is watching as the 777X prepares for commercial service. Its success will be measured by real-world performance, fuel savings, reliability, and passenger comfort. As 747s and A380s retire, the 777X is poised to become the new king of long-haul, high-capacity travel. Yet, with airlines shifting to smaller, more flexible jets, the 777X may be Boeing's last true jumbo. It bridges the golden age of the jumbo jet and a future focused on efficiency and sustainability. The 777X is a symbol of ambition and innovation, ready to leave its mark on aviation history. Its legacy will be defined by how it shapes the next era of flight. If you love aviation, subscribe.